Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start pairing right now. Charge the Ionic, open the Fitbit app, and pick Add Device. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your Android because the app uses both to find the watch. Choose Ionic from the device list and watch for the pairing code on the watch face. This code confirms you're connecting to the correct device. If you see a request to update the Fitbit app, accept it before continuing to avoid compatibility interruptions. After selecting Ionic, enter the 6-digit code displayed on the watch into the Fitbit app to confirm pairing. Next, accept the app permissions it requests. These let notifications and GPS-linked features work properly, and declining them breaks functionality. Allow the initial sync to finish. This transfers clock faces, settings, and activity history. Keep your phone and Ionic within about 5 meters and avoid heavy Wi-Fi interference. If the sync stalls, force close the app and reopen it, then check Bluetooth status before retrying. Finish by customizing notifications, clock faces, and quick settings inside the Fitbit app so the Ionic behaves as you prefer. Once the sync completes, confirm step counts and data appear in the dashboard to ensure everything is linked. If pairing or syncing fails, restart your phone and the Ionic, toggle Bluetooth, and try again. Most issues fix this way. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the Ionic, which erases local data but resolves persistent pairing errors. Only do that if simpler fixes don't help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.